Looking to track your payments, check past transfers, or simply keep an eye on your spending in Cash App? In this quick guide, I'll show you two easy ways to find your complete Cash App transaction history, from your most recent payments to detailed monthly statements. Stick around until the end so you don't miss the tip that will help you download a full PDF statement for your records. First, let's start with the fastest method: recent activity. Open the Cash App on your phone and head to the home screen. In the bottom right corner, you'll see a clock icon or a button with a number on it. Tap that and you'll be taken straight to your recent activity page. Here, you'll see a list of all your latest transactions in order. If you have a lot of transactions, use the search bar at the top to quickly find a specific payment. Just type in the person's name, business name, or even a keyword. This is perfect for a quick check of your latest activity without digging too deep. Now for the second method, detailed transaction history. If you want a more organized, comprehensive view, you'll want to access your monthly statements. Go back to the home screen and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Documents. Inside this section, choose Statements. Here, you'll see a list of monthly statements. Tap on the month you want, and Cash App will generate a detailed PDF statement for that period. You can save or share this PDF, which is great for budgeting, record keeping, or even tax purposes. Here are a few quick takeaways before we wrap up. Your Recent Activity tab is perfect for instant visibility into your latest transactions. Your monthly statements give you a complete, organized record in one place. And don't forget to use the search bar to quickly locate specific payments when needed. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to find and review your Cash App transaction history, whether you just need a quick check or a full monthly report. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and check the description for more helpful Cash App tips and tutorials.